Given the table above, the result of tossing a fair die 120 times is summarized above. Find the value of x. Now the table you've been given above, you've been told to use this table to find a solution to this problem. The result of tossing a fair die. So you know what a die is like? A die like you play your Ludo and the likes. So that's how you know what you're using tossing the die. Okay, alright, let's leave that. I know you know what a die is. So a die has 6 faces. It has face 1, it has one that has 2, it has 3, it has 4, and then it has a face of 5 and a face that has 6. Now, when the die was tossed 120 times, what you have in this table here is the result. Now, to explain this table, it implies that what the table means is after the person has tossed the die 120 times, what he observed was 1 appeared 12 times, 2 appeared 20 times, now 3 appeared x times, 4, that is the face 4, appeared 21 times, 5 appeared x negative 1 times, and 6 appeared 28 times. Now, but then we've been told that the die has been tossed 120 times. So since the die is tossed 120 times, it implies that the frequency that we have here, that is the sum of everything you have here, 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 and here, must be equal to 120, because they were the results that we obtained after I tossed it 120 times. So in other words, based on our inference, we have that 12 plus 20 plus x plus 21 plus x negative 1 plus 28 must be equal to 120. So when we add this all together, let's collect like terms. So you have 12 plus 20 plus 21, then plus 28 plus 28. So we're just collecting like terms, and then negative 1, so negative 1, then plus x plus x, then this is going to give us 120. So 12 plus 20 plus 21 plus 28 negative 1, that is going to give you 80, plus now x plus x is going to give you 2x. So this equals 120. Now to find x, I subtract both sides. I subtract 80 from both sides. So what you have is 2x equals 120 minus 80, and that's going to give you 40. So you have 2x. So this time around, let me just denote my x with this sign here. Now to find x, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. So you divide by 2, you divide by 2. So what you have here is going to be 20, and then your x equals 20. So we've been told to find the value of x. So the x we obtain here is 20. So this is the solution to the problem.